here glass, not plastic, glass. Here, come here, filter. For airflow. Yeah. So here we have two fans, and the fans have LED light here. Here to put it on the front. If you have special drive or something, you can put it here. Also to filter the air. But I will not use it. So we have here three fans, big fans, 1, 2, and here 1, 3. Here you have two rooms. If you want to put optic reader, you have two rooms, or memory card reader. So nice design, red color, maroon color. I think here we have the cables. So they are all labeled, and let's start one by one. So here we have audio cable, here power for the fans, here we have USB, here we have reset switch, here we have power switch, and hard disk drive LED, and here for fast USB connection. Okay, they are all here. What we have here also, let's see this packet. Screws, I think, to fix your motherboard and to manage your, here for PEEP, little speaker, and here the manual. If you want to see the manual, here is the manual. We have two options if you want to put your radiator here or here. So we will see here. So we'll talk here. We have two rooms for your hard disk drive, desktop hard disk drive. And here, also here room for your power supply unit, and here this filter, air filter for your power supply. Here you can put the radiator here, or you can put the radiator here. It's your choice. And also from behind, to put your SSD card, we have two slots for SSD cards. We have this slot, also here cable for the fans, for front fans, and here we have cable for one rear fan. Here we have two options. You can put here SSD card, and here two SSD cards. Here one, here one. And from the front, basics, normal USB and fast USB connection. Power button for your earphones here. I think here microphone I don't know if there is a microphone here or not, but I think this is for microphone or for reset. You can put something in here and you can reset. I'm not sure yet. So here is nice design, well done. What I like about it is glass, real glass, and very nice shape, and not so expensive. How much it cost?
69. 69.
69, so 69 euros.